guys, today we're playing Build a Boat. What did you just place down?
I'm the captain.
There's no platform.
There is, but that's for grass.
But the glass, I cannot even say a word. The grass will disappear.
What?
Yeah, well.
What is happening to my things?
Oh my gosh, it disappeared. I'm opening chest.
Okay, I'm gonna open my chest too.
Our goal is to make it to the end, so let's start building.
Oh, fine. Okay, let me open my chest. So I need to open my chest.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I went!
I opened my chest.
Copyright!
Yes, close.
Let's make the best boat of all time.
Close.
Nice. Would you like to join me into the best boat? Bro, you're so annoying.
I'm annoying as hell. I'll delete it, okay?
Okay, good.
Oh, wait. This is how speedrunning games. Hey guys, don't mind.
Okay,
Guys, and don't mind this noise, okay? That's so much fun. What the hell? Top G, what are you doing there?
Who's top G?
Me.
Okay, so if you're the top G, we got transferred from the top G to the end, so I can win. Bro, you're ruining this ship.
No, it looks fancy as hell. Top G, so I need it.
Top G need.
Okay, I sit here.
No, this is my seat.
How?
I'm the. Do you top?
Okay,
do the top G's drive their own vehicles?
Yes. They do.
Why you don't want to sit in your throne?
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Bro, move.
Okay.
Move.
Can I just take one thing?
Yes.
Okay, one thing.
Yes, only one thing.
What?
How are they useful?
They're gonna give me delicious pocket Dio Pakistani candy.
Bro.
They're Pakistani candy, idiot.
So, oh no, we put a balloon down.
We care about the jetpacks.
Yes, please.
Oh, so no.
Put those filthy jetpacks on.
Is it back?
Yes, sir.
And then one. There we go.
What should I put down?
I don't know.
A massive wall?
Sure. I think something happened to my seat.
I'm gonna build a massive wall.
I think something happened to my seat. Oh yeah.
I'm gonna make a massive barrier.
I'm bleeding.
Oh yeah, sorry. I have a massive thing for you.
Yeah.
Bro!
Here.
Huh?
Explain this.
Sorry. You can launch people. You can grab them and take them into your own thing. You can do whatever you want with it.
Actually,
I'm making a wall. I'm making a wall.
anything?
Yeah, you can do anything. X. You can help me with the wall. I put one golden block cover.
You want to have a look?
Let's run.
Oh.
Okay, guys. We need to make barricades for nothing to get through us. We have one of the fastest boats in the game, for legitimate. We have one of the fastest boats in the game. The 2.0. Oh my god, the 2.0 is getting an update. Okay. Oh!
Brother, you don't put the 2.0 right now, brother. It's
2.0.
getting.
Let's get it. We're gonna win. Put in your jetpack and we're ready.
Wait. I need to do some things on
What?
top of you. I can do anything you said. That's not all my balloons. I like 4 left.
I buy chest. Oh my god. Why does it give me 2 days?
Oh my god. I have too much.
I already added.
I said done my assignment.
Okay, guys, they added something in Roblox. What the hell is that? Is that a big stick? No, I big B. Ah! Bro, what did you do?
What did you do to her?
Why did you add so many balloons at the front? It's up.
It's up, yeah, you gotta go right there.
Look at it. It's up. It's up. Bro, look at that. Look. Look what's happening. The ball.
The board is up over here.
Bro, look at the boat. Look at that boat. Look at that boat. Look at that boat. Yes, sir. Look at that boat. It's going to outer space.
Out of space going to Africa. I knew I need to be the driver because I'm the best driver in the world. No one is gonna get me alive.
Oh my god. You can see.
No! At least it's been back. Okay. Time to go to the end. Oh, great heavens! Oh, 2.2 billionaires. Oh my god, so elegant, so beautiful.
2.0.
2.2.
3.0. Ship 3.0. Ship 3.0 is going.
Wait, I need to come on.
Hello.
So we need to come with you guys.
Okay, so let's go, boys.
Okay, let me see.
Launch your bag.
Is it because of me?
Oh,
Now I'm gonna go.
I'm going. I'm traveling. I'm traveling to seven.
Goodbye.
I'm traveling to 7 seas. Everyone. I'm traveling to 7 seas. I'm traveling to 7 seas. I'm traveling to 7 seas.
Are we recording again?
I'm traveling to 7 seas.
Are you still recording? Are you still recording?
Oh shit. Help!
The one that SpongeBob SquarePants.
Help!
Oh, great. Tell me to record.
What can I legitimately survive this? No! I was
Just
sitting.
did you see the tower called Balloon Tower?
Oh my gosh, you missed! Miss me. Now you missed me.
Now you have to kiss me.
Miss me. Now you never gotta talk to me.
Yeah, I know. That's definitely
He's missing. They're missing. Oh my god! Look, guys. He's missing.
me.
Oh no. Bruh, I made the tiniest boat. I'm a survivor. Hey, was this possible? How am I surviving with the tiniest boat? Guys, look, I have the tiniest boat in the whole world. Ah! You gotta survive this weird thing. Oh, I know what it is now. Oh my god, wow! Oh my god, wow!
Why did I kill me?
So elegant, so beautiful, looking like a wow.
Okay. One more chance. Now we have
So
to.
elegant.
Now we have to win this
looking
game.
like a wow.
Now it's time to make the. What the hell? How dare you betray me?
Wow, you betray me.
You stop betraying me. He betrays me. He betrays me. You're not gonna be up.
Hello guys, today we play Minecraft. Hello guys, today we play Minecraft. Miss me, Diane, kill me!
Ah! You got cross me. Yeah.
I killed you.
Both died and stuff.
Okay, bye. Good night.
Okay. For the last chance, let's go and build the most powerful boat ever.
We can make it.
I'm gonna make the most smartest boat I've ever.
I'm gonna go.
I'm making a smart boat.
Oh my
Don't you
God.
not get it? It's called a smart boat. You don't get it. Seriously? You get it?
I'm trying to find
good.
something.
This is how I make a smart boat.
I like this game.
Well, now we're mobile.
Oh, never mind. Oh, never mind.
Now we have the ultimate boat. Now, can we make it? No!
You let me?
No, I lost. Okay, guys. This will have to be the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content. Goodbye.
Bye.